Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Venom Dragon head. It's going to be, I wouldn't say it's going to be simple, but it's going to be more intermediate. But if you're a beginner, you can try it out. I'm going to take you step by step through it, so let's see how it goes, alright? I'm going to turn my paper this way. Okay, let's get started. Right here, I'm going to go straight up into the eye first. And I want that Venom looking eye. So I'm going to curve this direction underneath for the lower part of the eye. And I'm going to pull up over here. Kind of that wiggliness on the top here. Pull down. Over here. And over here. Maybe pull a little hook here to kind of make him look a little more angry. Alright. I'm going to go over here, throw a little bit of a wobbly line at the top, but that one's going to be for the brow. Like the top brow. Like if you look at dragons or T-Rexes or anything. I mean, dragons are fictional. They're based on designs from T-Rexes, I'm sure, and snakes and crocodiles. But if you look at animals like that, they have like this brow at the top of it. And that's kind of what I want to make clear on that. I'm going to pull kind of a line here for the snout. Alright. And I'm going to actually roll back into a horn at the top there. Pulling down. Curve over here. Back. Down. So he's got those horns there. I'm gonna pull forward, well, a little bit more forward, not much more forward, but I also want to throw that nostril there, like a shape for the nostril. In, shape for the nostril. Down. Maybe pull like a spike, you know, at the very end of the mouth, the way some dragons have. Pulling up here, and I'm going to pull this long lip of a smile, and you're going to see it. So it's going to go straight here, zigzag around there, pull up here. You know? Going to pull back here for the back of the neck here. Has like, you know, spike shapes. Also, don't forget to hit the like if you like this idea. If you like the lesson, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, it'll let you know when I post. I post 3 times a day, and I post everything you can imagine. So definitely subscribe if you're enjoying this or if you like stuff like this. Let's go over here into the nostril here. I'm gonna throw almost like looks like an apostrophe shape for the nostril. And all right, let's get into the teeth there. And literally these are just triangle shapes aiming downward. And what I would do is I would vary up the size of them, even the thickness of them a little bit. Sometimes throw like a little bit of a shape here for the gum line. But you're trying to like pack it in full of teeth. Alright. And like a line back here for that skin part that he has when he opens the mouth. It's like there's skin on the side of the mouth when Venom opens the mouth. Same thing goes for like crocodiles, alligators. Actually, yeah, do they have that? Yeah, they have that. Lizards have that. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to pull maybe the tongue shape. I'm going to go nuts with it. I'm going to pull it all the way up there. See how it's barely touching the edge of the page? It is like really uncomfortably close to that edge of the page. So I want to do that. And I'm going to pull it. I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to try to fit it in there. And I'm not going to bring it quite all back all the way because I need to draw the bottom teeth over here. And what I'm going to do first is draw the lip. line over here, back of the jaw, underneath here for kind of the throat area, and it's going to pull down. Line up over here, down, up, down, up, down, down over here, up, down. So I'm throwing the bottom teeth now, and I'm going to try to make them look like they're a little bit related by throwing a lot of them. You know, trying to make it look a little bit more like the top teeth, and I'm going to continue to pull this down. Go over here to the back, and I'm going to put a back row of teeth, and that's going to give it kind of a 3D look. So right here, it's just going to be the shape. Right here. And then I'm going to fill that shape in dark. So this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to fill this in. You can do this like it's a pencil, anything you got. Sometimes you can use this as a guide. Some people have told me they do this. They draw it with they do the same thing with a pencil. And they use this more as a guide on the way here, you know. And they'll pause and then like do their own version of it. Like maybe they'll change certain aspects of it. Which, by the way, change whatever you want. What you want is the impression. You don't want the exact thing. I mean, you can get the exact thing, but I mean, the impression is incredibly important. Like it just like as long as it looks like a dragon, you know, or a Venom Dragon. That's kind of the idea of it. Line over here. Line over here, just kind of maybe more wiggliness through the eye. The other thing you can do is you can fill in the entire thing like dark. I'm not going to do that here. I don't want to, you know, I'm going to kill my marker. So I'm not going to do that this time. But you could easily do that as well. And you could maybe darken up the back over here as well. Here, and that's pretty much it. That is a Venom Dragon. You can maybe darken a line here at the bottom because there's like a light coming from the top. Maybe throw lines over here through the spikes. Gives it a little bit more like dimension. But that is. Oh, okay. One other thing you can add. I'm sorry. There is one more thing you can add. You can bold out the line on the eye, and that gives it focus. Right? It gives it a lot of focus when you do that. But alright. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that idea, by the way. Like I said, let me know. Shoot your ideas to me in the comments, and I'm going to try to make as many as I can happen. But absolutely shoot your ideas. Thank you so much. See you later. Stick around for the announcement coming up. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.